I'm back. Okay, so we've got a 3/8 hole built or drilled, bored all the way through, and I've just changed things around a little bit, and we got a 1/2 inch drill bit in there now. So let's see how that goes. I double checked the tightening and everything. Still got the safety glasses on. Had a little sip of my drink, and we're ready to go. Power on. Yeah. See what happens. Oh, I see one big chip, but not much out of the other one. I think that one needs to be resharpened a bit. You know, so getting two distinct different chips out of there. Long, snotty ones. I'll just break off the pressure as I progress. But yeah, that drill bit needs to be sharpened. Or I replace it. But I'm watching for my little black mark on the quill. Yeah, I will supersize those chips. Thank you very much. There's the black mark. Gotta retreat. Turn it off. Oh, look at those guys. That's a big one. Aluminum. Here across the pond. Nice. All right. I'm practicing social distancing by being in the barn too, because you may have noticed I've had a little bit of a cold in my nose, so sniffling a lot. But they're worth. I've heard some rumors that there's something worse than a head cold out there going around right now, so I'm very grateful to have my nose running a marathon. All right, so we've progressed everything. It's snug. Try again. You're just getting a feel for it. You know, I noticed that if that chip starts getting too long, I just stop progressing. Long enough. So it's sort of like getting spaghetti all the same length, and you're doing it by hand. Curlicues. Watching for my black mark. There it is. Time to back off. Turn it off. Wasn't that fun? Crazy. Going nuts around here. Nice. Okay. Third verse, same as the first and the second. Oh man, copyright issues. I'm a criminal. Using music in my videos. I got a warning. I'm going to print that out and frame it. I had the attention of the YouTube people. They're watching us. Okay, should be good to go. Let's see. Onward, drilling shoulder. Keep on cutting through. Almost hypnotic watching it. Pretty cool. Oh, we're at the black mark now. Gotta back off. Turn it off. Brush it off. Yeah, it's like washing your hair. Apply, work in, rinse, repeat. I'll bet we got some wicked clean hair in this country. It's just personal observation. The hair industry is a big one that's been hit by a little bug going around, I heard. Hopefully things are going to improve. I felt the tailstock moving a little bit. Gives you an idea how much force you're pressing on with this thing. Bueno. Stop it there. I backed off a little bit. Get a piece of tape. Yeah, I don't have any specific numbers, but I know I want to find out how far I'm in. Wow, that's pretty good, man. I didn't see much of any chips coming out of there. Let's unplug it. Feedback. Where's... You know, that cartoon, The Far Side, he must have been a machinist. Because it's amazing how many times... Oh, man. Yeah, I took care of it there. I got to come up with a solution for that. MacGyver, I need you, man. Ooh. You can look down there. See, I've got... looking at it from this side, I got about another 1/8 of an inch. So near yet so far. I was right at the end. I think I was getting close, but I knew it seemed like it was getting a little bit easier. Tighten her up. Get her done. Don't want to tighten her up yet. I gotta back this off. Yeah, that's better. Fun with aluminum. You ready, Freddy? Action. Oh, I unplugged it. Action. We have entered the twilight zone. Right in, so I see the mark. Back it off. Set it off. I think we have accomplished our task for today. Nice. Loosen her up. Pull her back. Alright, so unplug it again. This could be the last time. This could be the last time. I don't know. Oh, I can't have music in my videos, man. I want to sing like a bird. But that's not going to happen. Look at that. see? Can you see what I see? Nice. I like it. By Jove, I think we've got something here. Got one last sip, then I gotta go get some more. Whoa, well, we gotta clean up here. It seemed to work pretty well. Back where it belongs. Oh, I don't think you've really seen this, but what we gotta do, I talked about this mod for the adapter, but I don't think I showed it off. It's pretty cool. There we go. See the nice job he did on that? Matching dimples. And the nice refreshed 60-degree dead center. This is like all art to me. It's just I dropped the other one. Alright, this is where stuff goes downhill, so I'm going to end the video now. I'll be back.